Hello student. Today we start our new chapter number 10, practical geometry. Practical geometry means construction. Okay. Now, today we learn about construct of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on a line. Means we construct a line which is parallel to given line and passing a point which is not on a given line. That means suppose one line is here and one point outside that line is there. Okay, you just construct a line passing through that point and which is parallel to given line. Means suppose that is L and this one is M, so L parallel to M. And suppose here point A is there, so you just construct line M which is passing through A and parallel to M. Okay, so suppose we start how to draw that one, how to construct that one. Before that one we revise something. Look here, one line L is there and you just construct line M which is passing through a point A which is not on a line, and M and L both are parallel. Okay, suppose here one more line is there. Okay, so if L and M both are parallel, when L and M both are parallel, for that this line, suppose that is N is called transversal for that two line. Okay, and with that transversal here some angles form. In that some angles, pair of angles are there. Out of them one pair of angle, these two angles, okay, they are the pair of alternate interior angle, means pair of alternate angle, and we know that alternate angles are equal in measurements. Okay, now suppose given line is there and one point outside that triangle is there, means that line is there which is not on that line. If we construct a line passing through that point and which is cross the given line, and if we construct two same angles like that opposite of that line, okay, if these two angles are equal, okay, these two angles are equal, using this identity if we draw a line, so for that line these two angles if they are equal in measurements, these two are called alternate angle. Okay, and if alternate angles are equal means these two lines are parallel. Okay, using this identity, this theory, we try to construct this one. Okay, now how to construct that one? Look, first we draw line L like that. Here the line L is there, L. Okay, and one point, suppose that is point Q is there which is not on a line L. Okay, now what to do? First we draw transversal, this one transversal. Okay, so draw a line passing through a Q and which is cross our given line L. Okay, an intersecting point, suppose that is P, here P is there. Okay, now draw angles, same angles from P and Q. Okay, for that one we use our round. So what to do? Just take arbitrary radius. Arbitrary means any measurement. Okay, just take that one and put on needle of that rounder on P. Okay, point P, and draw arc which is intersect the line PQ and line L, both one. like that. Okay, look, this one and this one, these two are intersecting point. Okay, same, what to do, you just take same radius and put your needle on a q, point q, and draw arc opposite of that line. Okay, that is also intersecting here. Okay, to pq. If we write down here number 1, 2 and this one is 3, where the arc, this arc is intersect, that is 3. Otherwise you just write down a b c, otherwise p q r m n whatever. Okay, 1 2. Now you just take radius as equal to distance between 1 and 2, means this arc. Okay, what to do, put your needle at point 1 and pencil on point 2. Okay, and take this radius, and then put your needle on number 3 and draw arc like that. Okay, which is intersect the arc drawn from point q here, that is our fourth point. And draw, now draw line passing through 4 and q, these 2 points. Okay, like that. Suppose that is line M. So you just check here, L and M both are parallel, because these two angles are alternate angles and they are equal in measurement. Okay, one more time I show you that, look it properly. Suppose you want to draw two lines which are parallel, and second one is passing through a point not on a first line. So first what to do, just draw a line. One point is there, suppose that is here, it's q, this one is line M, and draw a line passing through point q and which is parallel to L. What to do, draw line passing through q and which is cross the line L, like that. Intersecting point, that is suppose P. Now take arbitrary radius, means any radius with any measurement. Take point P as a center and draw arc like that. Okay, which is intersect line L and line PQ, both one. Here suppose we write down A B here, otherwise X Y 1 2 whatever. Okay, now you just take same radius and draw arc from point Q, means put your needle on Q and draw arc opposite side of that line like that. Okay, suppose its intersect PQ, intersecting point is C. Now take radius equal to AB. Equal to AB means distance between A and B. So what to do, put your needle at point A and pencil on a B. Okay, like that. And then put your needle on C and draw arc like that, which is intersect this arc. Intersecting point is suppose D. Now draw line which is which passing through a Q and D like that. Suppose that is M, and you just check L and M both are parallel. Okay, so today I show you that how to draw a parallel line passing through a given line and also pass through a point which is not on given line. Okay, now in next period we will solve exercise 10.1. for that you just 2 or 3 times practice this one. Okay, thank you.